children of birth.
14 children.
14 children. Or unfortunately, last time, first time she going die. But before she died, when she going ill on the delivery time, the emperor, he knows very well she will not long live after this problem. So at that time, the wife and husband together, 3 great promises. Mumtaz told Emperor Shah Jahan, if I die, you do not marry again after that. And second promise is, whose children shall live with you, you always take care with them. And third one, for me, as a memory, you must have to make one palace, one building in Agra, which should be famous whole in world. So Taj Mahal is 7 wonder of the world.
7 wonders, yes.
When she died, Emperor Shah Jahan made it the plan in his mind to make the Taj Mahal here in Agra. So first the emperor, they invited the different artists, engineers from all over the world. So the many engineers, they entered in this town. They used to make it the pencil on the paper, the scratching of different style of the design at the front of Emperor Shah Jahan. So Shah Jahan has to be selected the mixed design from all those designs. So about it, the 4 architecture we have to see in front of this building. The dome of the Taj Mahal, big dome, it is shape of onion. It comes from Turkey.
Turkey.
And the both sides have 2 smaller dome like umbrella. They are come from Hindu. That is mean Hindu.
Oh, Hindu.
And the design of the arch, they are come from Arabic. And the design long towers, minaret are come from Egypt. Turkey, Arabic, Hindu and the Egypt, 4 architecture have this building. Because of the architect, they are not come from India, they are come from Persia, Iran. Ustad Isa Effendi and Muhammad Qasim Khan Shirazi, who was the chief architect who made the Taj Mahal, and other rest was the junior for them. After completed of the Taj Mahal, the architect, they left 3 kind of the signification front of this building. Some view of the geometrical, some view of the symmetry. One view, 3rd number, we find to see from the long towers. The structure of the white color building always looks like a square design, like a 4-corner building, but it is not like that one. It is always 8-corner building, like a octagonal shape. Second view of the symmetrical, the both sides have 2 buildings. One is this, one is behind of those trees. So 2 buildings are exactly same, identical, with that view of the symmetrical. So that was used as a mosque at that time, and other was the guest house. And 3rd number view from the minar, all the long towers looks like a straight. Like a 90-degree angle is standing from bottom to top, but it's not like that one. All the minar are a little bit tilted from outside of the main structure of the Taj Mahal. So that means if it is there any problem, if they fall, it does not be fall on the building, always going outside. After completed of the Taj Mahal, some writers writes in a book, Emperor Shah Jahan has to be cut the hand on the engineers and the laborers. But it's not true. Shah Jahan has to be 2 promises with them. After completed of the Taj Mahal, first we that you do not make a copy in other parts of the world, like a Taj Mahal. And secondly, we are not giving to you go back to permission in your country, I mean Persia, Iran. So at that time, the Emperor Shah Jahan, those families are settled in this town. So now about it, the 13 descendants family still have been living in Agra.
Oh, still living in Agra.
After 500 years old back, when it was completed, at that time the technology, science, electric, transport not available. So the whole part of the building has been done by hand. But nowadays everything is possible. But who descendants are living in Agra, they never use any kind of the machinery. They have been doing same art, same technique all days. But when, if you like to see evening, one place, one small factory have the descendants, they will doing same work of their marble. If you are interested, I can show you in Agra. They find to be get to make it a different kind of the souvenir also is there. If people want to buy something, you can get from there. Or they will show you the specialty of the white marble, which is the original marble, which is the duplicate. Those marble have the 2 type of the specialty. First, it is known for its stones. If you are put any kind of the dark color, chemical, cola, wine, whiskey, it will never absorb all those things. You just put the butter and rub the cotton, it's become like a milk color. Second specialty have these stones. When you put any kind of the focus light on it, at that time light will be through inside the stones. At that time it's become like a fire, like a crystal. And otherwise, the marble is duplicate. If it is there, 2 things are not available in the marble, it's duplicate, fake marble. That is why the Taj Mahal building has been changed of the 3 color in a day. Sunset time different color, sunrise time different color, and between of the day different color. These kind of the marble just allow for the makrana. just for the state government.